Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, we will talk about the pop-up in Safari. These pop-ups are basically small windows that appear during browsing. In this video, I will teach you how you can turn on the pop-up option in the browser of iPhone. For turning on the pop-up option in the Safari, you simply have to open the setting here. Here I have opened the setting. Now scroll down and look for Safari here. Here you can see Safari below the FaceTime. Simply click on that. Now you can see different settings of Safari. And here in general you can see the option block pop-ups. So basically for now the pop-ups are blocked. You can unblock that simply by turning this off. And simply if you want to block these pop-ups, you can do that by turning this on. And that was all about allowing pop-up on Safari. And similar setting you can do for Chrome. Now if I open my Chrome here I have opened my Chrome, and here you can see the three dots in the bottom. Click on that. Now here look for setting. Click on setting. Now in setting, scroll down. Look for content setting. Here you can see content setting. Click on that. Now you can see that here we have also blocked pop-ups. You can unblock that simply by turning this off. And for blocking pop-ups, simply you can turn this on. That was all about allowing your pop-up on browser Safari. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.